Hey there, have you heard about this new text-to-speech product called Murph AI? It's taking the industry to the next level with its artificial intelligence capabilities. With Murph AI, you can create ultra-realistic voiceovers in a fun and entertaining way. A platform is an internet-based tool that uses text-to-speech conversion and AI to develop voiceovers, and you can make changes until you're satisfied. One of the best things about Murph AI is that it has a collection of over 100 professional voices in 20 different languages, which are manually selected to ensure high-quality results. Whether you're a content creator, writer, podcaster, teacher, animator, product developer, or corporate trainer, you can use this in-house voiceover tool to bring your material to life. And the best part is that you can customize your speech and voice to make them unique, a rare feature in TTS software. Murph AI is also an easy-to-use app that allows you to match the timing of your voice to your movies and has built-in speech and pitch control features. This means you can use the platform to create great voiceovers, young or old. You can also modify your material and make changes in the future, making it a must-have tool for all your future tasks. With Murph's AI-powered sound, you can add various effects to the voiceover such as reverb, bending, phasing, and chorus, expanding the possibilities for creating excellent voiceovers. The platform also allows you to watch your voice in real time, making it easy to make any necessary changes before getting the final result. Getting started with Murph AI is a breeze. You can create a new project or modify one of the many ready-made templates. You'll then be taken to the editing pages where you can add videos, images, and soundtracks and make changes. You can adjust the pitch, tempo, and volume and insert poses and highlights. And with the Enterprise plan, you can stream online training at scale and create best-in-class natural-sounding voices. So if you're looking for a high-quality, inexpensive option for creating voiceovers for various applications, give Murph AI a try. It's fast, easy to use, and delivers excellent results. You can modify your projects and voices in the future and present them to your team for editing. Start creating voiceovers today. Hey there, have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools. And the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get right out today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Welcome to Dated, the most fantastic app for simplifying RSVPs and event planning. Whether you're planning a wild and crazy bachelor party, a formal prom, a beautiful wedding, or just a simple hangout with friends, Dated makes it all a breeze. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, event planning has never been so effortless. Do you hate remembering passwords and creating accounts just to participate in an event? Well, Dated has got you covered. With this app, you don't need to remember a password or create an account to participate in events. Simply share the invitation link with your guests and they can respond directly to the invitation. You can invite existing Dated users, make any guest an organizer, and customize the cover to add a personal touch. Not only does Dated help you keep track of responses and communicate with guests, but it also helps you find the event's location and get there easily. You'll never miss a beat with push notifications and the ability for guests to invite their friends to the event. The Dated team is passionate about bringing people together and making event planning a breeze. They believe that event planning should be enjoyable and stress-free and work tirelessly to provide users with the best tools and features possible. They're always listening to their users and improving the app to make every event successful. Dated has won the hearts of many users who praise its ease of use, beautiful design, and benefits. It's a fantastic alternative to Facebook events, which can be stressful and overwhelming. Ryan Price says that Dated is precisely what she needs to connect with her friends. It's like a blast from the past, reminiscing of the good old days of Facebook events. The best part? It doesn't require authentication or contact information and works seamlessly across platforms. The Dated team is focused on creating a quality product, not just hacking growth to attract users. Diana is a massive fan of Dated, saying that it's simply incredible. Inviting people to events is easy, even if they don't have the app. She'd used it for countless parties and meetings and will never return to other platforms. With Dated, event planning has always been more complex and fun. So why wait? Start planning your next event with Dated today. Hey, have you heard about AI-Systify and the integration of OpenAI GPT-3 with HubSpot CRM? It's a game changer, my friend. This powerful integration is revolutionizing the way businesses approach customer service and marketing. With AI-Systify, you can use the customizable prompts in your HubSpot workflows to take advantage of OpenAI's language generation capabilities. It's like having a virtual assistant that can perform various tasks, including summarizing information, formatting data, and even translating text. And you can use AI-Systify to compose customer responsive emails that are personal and human-like, giving your customers the personalized experience they crave. But that's not all. For corporate clients, the company offers the creation of custom AI models trained on your material. For example, you can provide the emails written by your sales manager, and AI-Systify will use advanced algorithms to train the AI model to respond to customer inquiries in your unique style. It's like having a team of virtual sales assistants working for you 24/7. August Siraj was thrilled about this collaboration and couldn't wait to see what he could do with it. He knows integrating OpenAI with HubSpot CRM will help streamline his workflow and provide a new level of automation and personalization to his customer service and marketing efforts. So there you have it. Integrating OpenAI GPT-3 with HubSpot CRM is a powerful combination that brings a new level of efficiency and personalization to businesses. With AI-Systify, companies can now deliver a truly personalized experience to their customers, no matter the time or day. It's an exciting time to be in AI and CRM. Hey friend, have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 stars for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel, for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommended.